How to fix background personalization not working in Windows 11. Hello friends, when you try to personalize the desktop background, a problem may occur. When you select picture or slideshow in the drop down, color automatically reverts back and your desktop looks like this. However, you can fix this issue. Follow the steps. The first method is restart Windows Explorer. If your issue is temporary, then this method will fix the issue. For this, right click on taskbar, select Task Manager, look for Windows Explorer in this list, this one. Right click on this process and select Restart. If the issue still occurs, then disable sync your settings for Windows backup. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Accounts, scroll down and click on Windows Backup and turn off both the settings. Turn off the toggle for Remember My App and turn off the setting for Remember My Preferences. Then close the Settings app and check if it works. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.